All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking top 5 must-have tools from Snap-on. All right, count them down. 5 tools from Snap-on. Number 1, they're wrenches. There's a lot of great wrenches out there. I'm sorry, but Snap-on kills them all. I've had my set of SAE and metric sets for over 20 years, and I still use them every single day. You can't beat Snap-on wrenches. All right, next one, number 2, is in the wrench category, but I'm putting it in its own separate group, again, because nobody beats them. Flarenut wrenches. The Snap-on Flarenut wrenches, second to none. Nobody beats them. I'm sorry, they're pricey, but they are the best, period. If you can get them in there, nothing beats a Snap-on Flarenut wrench. All right, number 3, Hex Ball. Nothing's worse than breaking a ball off into a hex thing and you got to try to get it out. These I beat the snot out of. Air tools, back in my air tool days, now Milwaukee stuff, I beat the living snot out of them. Power tools, no problem. I trust them. In the same category, their hex bits are the best. Nobody beats them on hex. So, but for sure, nobody beats them on ball hex. Number 4 is probably going to be a little bit of controversy because there are bigger and badder ones out there. But the Snap-on air hammer. Ingersoll Rand has some good ones, but nobody beats the PH305B. As far as a 401 shank. Now, Erico's Big Nasty, world famous Big Nasty, yes, we'll kick this one in the dirt. So will the CP that it's modeled after. But for a standard 401 shank, nobody beats this air hammer. Not even my beloved Ingersoll Rand. Hence why I own one. Bad to the bone unless you want to get Big Nasty. All right, number 5, probably going to raise a few eyebrows. But it's become one of my favorite tools from Snap-on. Dead blow brass hammer. And if you guys want one, HBBT32. Beat the snot out of this. Ground the heads down a few times. You know, we'll wear it down a little more before I make Snap-on warranty it. Ball joints, tie rod ends. You don't have to worry about when you're hitting an aluminum control arm. Hit it with this, they'll pop out. It's got enough give that it's not going to damage the control arm, but yet give enough force to knock it loose. A lot of beating has happened with this hammer, let me tell you. Former tech here, Andrew, who has moved on to South Georgia, for introducing me to this little bad to the bone hammer. He had one, I had to get one. So, hope you like this top 5 list. If you do, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.